This is the rear bulkhead panel for the TR4A, TR5, TR250 and the very early TR6 models up to about year 1970, CP and CC series up to about 50,000, always worth checking. The main defining feature for the TR6 separation is vertical lines versus two horizontal lines. The two horizontal lines to the TR6 is a lot more common, but they did leave the factory with some in the vertical. So it's a hardboard panel cut out on our CNC machine. You can see the little fixing holes in different areas around the panel. They are for the screws and washers for attaching it to the actual car. So it's hardboard. We then put a HF weld foam onto the face of the hardboard, and then we run it through our HF welding machine, which we have on site. We're one of the only companies in the world that has one of those on site. And as you can see, it embosses the pattern onto the vinyl. This has been done in vinyl. We can also offer it in leather if you prefer. Just trying to show you the HF weld there. As you can see, it goes all the way along. Then it's been trimmed all the way around, as you can see, very neatly. And this sits at the back of the cockpit on the vertical like that. Now you can see actually the hardboard allows it to have a gentle flex, which is useful because that's the way it sits in the car. These left and right edges flex round effectively following the curvature of the car, and they join onto the B-post quarter panels.